Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting up the workspace and confirming page size so nothing misfits later. Lay out the album and a single sheet of paper to plan. Measure photos and trim where necessary. This prevents crooked placements. Use adhesive corners for repositioning. This is why you avoid permanent glue at first. Once done, group photos in layout order and keep a spare protector. This reduces handling and protects prints while you complete the next steps. Now you commit to the page layout. Work from the center outward so weight stays balanced. Add mats or borders to create breathing room and to protect edges. This is why spacing matters for long-term preservation. Apply adhesive corners or small strips of acid-free tape to photo backs, then slide into the protector and smooth from center to edge. Once secure, add captions or date tags. This makes pages readable later and preserves the story behind each image. Finish by installing the completed pages into the album, keeping heavier pages toward the center to prevent sagging. Flip through slowly to confirm alignment and that nothing shifted. If a photo moved, remove the protector, adjust, and reseal. Do this gently to avoid scratches. For stuck or hazy protectors, separate pieces and air them for about 24 hours. Do not force apart. This troubleshooting step protects prints and ensures the album will last for years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.